type of connectivity. So this instrument can do 4-wire test with a floating voltmeter, which is a great advantage compared to previous model. Crocodiles with the current wire connected, and we will use voltmeter separately, completely floating. This will help us to determine particular or partial voltage drops in the way of testing. So one crocodile will go to the PEN, the other will go also to the L1 bar here. Okay, we are using crocodiles now to measure the voltage drop on the switch itself. So we can compare then phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3 in between, and we can estimate or we can determine whether all the connectors, all the contacts in the switch are still okay, and we can do it live. We can do it during everything operates. We can prepare ourselves for maintenance period to see which switch or which fuse holder needs to be replaced. Okay, now we are in a safe distance and we will start the measurement of this to get the result of this particular switch. Previously we measured impedance, but now we will move to high current testing of delta resistances. So this measurement we can start. Give us 0.5 milliohm of the resistance of the fuse holder or of the switch. If we compare this in between three phases or in between the results of other similar or equal switches, this will give us the information how many switches, how many fuse holders need to be replaced in the next period.